Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2019 19-plate Ford Fiesta ST-Line. Obviously 1 litre. These are this one's a 5-door car, finished in the lovely Panther Black. We're riding on the 17-inch graphite grey alloy wheels. Truly lovely styling to these. So we've got privacy glass on this one, graphite grey alloys to match the lovely charcoal interior. We've got rear parking sensors, split folding rear seats. We've got the parcel shelf in there as well. That's a nice thing. A lot of people take them out, put them in the shed, forget about them, and then never to be seen again. In the boot we've got the B&O subwoofer, so lovely Bang & Olufsen sound system on this one. Really nice crisp sound. Obviously you can adjust the bass, the treble of the speakers as well. Bodywork wise, tidy car. You can tell it's been well cared for by the previous owners, truly cherished in their ownership, and then once you pop your head inside, that carries through. So looking at the bolsters, looking at the seat base, they're in nice order. We've got the original tailored floor mats coming through to the back. Looks as though it's never had any hard use there. We've got ISOFIX in the bottom for your child seats, 3 seat belts, so comfortable seating for 3. We've got electric front windows, electric mirrors. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered, let's have a look, 32,070 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Now, spec wise, an impressive spec on this one. So we've got Bang & Olufsen sound, we've got park folding mirrors, we've got automatic lights, we've got lane departure warning, we've got our limiter there, we've got obviously multifunction wheel, so on here is your voice command, Bluetooth phone, volume controls. Up ahead you've got the display, so on there is going to be your driver information, your fuel efficiency and so on. And then coming through to the center display, another fantastic feature, just takes a second. We've got satellite navigation on this one, so quite responsive, very easy to use. Audio, as you probably saw, this is a full DAB, so you've got all the extended channels. We've got our mobile apps, we've got our settings there, so flicking through you've got Apple CarPlay on this car, climate control with air conditioning. We've got the heated front screen on this one, 6-speed manual transmission, USB 12-volt power outlet, eco mode, traction control and auto stop start, central cup holders, another 12-volt power outlet for your rear passengers, making it nice and easy to charge your phone as you're driving along. All the book packs are there, so everything which was supplied with the car from new is still with the car there today. Checking my pocket, we've got both keys with the car, and they drive absolutely bang on. So if you'd like any more information on the car, if you'd like some finance quotes, you can do hire purchase and PCP on this car. So if you'd like some more information on those, please do give us a call. If you've got a part exchange, we can happily give you a price over the phone. Or if you've any more questions in general, don't hesitate to ask. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.